Our customers often ask us, how do I know I have eczema? Everyone's skin is different, but look for dry, red, itchy patches, often most severe on the face, backs of knees, inside of elbows, ankles, and underarms. You may be someone that also has hay fever or asthma, or people in your family have similar sorts of conditions. And that would definitely lead you towards knowing that you're eczema prone. Stress, as well as contact with irritating synthetic ingredients, can trigger eczema. 1 in 5 children have it, and millions of people live with it, so you're definitely not alone. A soothing, moisturizing body lotion has been one of the most requested products by our customers. Our Pristine Forest body lotion is formulated with hypersensitive and reactive skin in mind, and it's for babies as well. It's bursting with natural anti-inflammatories and skin-strengthening omegas to break that frustrating cycle of reactions and irritations and get your skin back on side. It's made with hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter to nourish and help rebuild barrier function. Natural CBD extract actively inhibits the molecule that causes the skin to flare, so it's great for calming redness and irritation. Silver fir extract is rich in polyphenols that soothe inflammation, dry skin flare-ups, and it activates skin's own moisturizing abilities. Plant-based glycerin really helps to replenish the moisture levels and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Pristine Forest body lotion has a clean formula. It's dermatologically tested, intentionally unfragranced, and without synthetic ingredients or mineral oils. It's easy to apply and sinks into skin quickly with no greasy residue. You can use it all over your body, for dry hands, around your eyes. You can also use it as a face moisturizer day and night, especially if your skin is very delicate or prone to redness, and it improves skin condition and just guides your skin back to its healthiest state. At Hemp Touch, we are really proud to be the first ever CBD and hemp skincare brand certified 100% natural by Natru, independent European certification. It's awarded exclusively to skincare products using sustainable production processes and environmentally friendly practices. Natru seal on Hemp Touch products assures that raw materials are derived from nature and are free of synthetic fragrances, colors and dyes, petroleum-derived synthetics such as parabens and silicones, free from sodium lauryl sulfate, GMO ingredients, and no animal testing is allowed. At Hemp Touch, we grow the hemp plants on fields right here in Slovenia, and we choose hand-harvested and organically grown ingredients whenever possible. Making the decisions isn't difficult. It's simply a matter of doing what's right. We display the Natru seal proudly for the many right decisions we have made to make the highest quality, most effective skincare products possible.